Hello everyone. I, Ms. Bhavna Danesh Munod, welcome you all in Agricultural Development Trust, Shardabai Pawar, Mahila Arts, Commerce and Science College, Sharda Nagar, Baramati. Students, last period we studied about the structure of Niti Aayog, that is chairperson, members, and who will be the CEO. That is the structure of Niti Aayog, and very well, students. Some of them or one girl have really sent me the present structure of Niti Aayog. Very good. Now we'll come to the next part of the chapter, that is functions of Niti Aayog. See, the first function of Niti Aayog is shared national agenda. Now, see, what is the first function of Niti Aayog? That it is sharing national agenda. Now, what this national agenda involves? So, this involves a shared vision of national development priorities and strategies with the active involvement of states. This will provide framework of national agenda for Prime Minister and Chief Ministers to implement. National agenda means, children, a strategy planning, a document planning, active involvement of states. So whatever states are there, they will prepare a report regarding whatever report they want, population say, poverty say, unemployment ratio, all these reports will be prepared, presented in the parliament, that is called as national agenda, due to which the Prime Minister and the Chief Minister can smoothly function whatever problems are there. So the first function of Niti Aayog is what? To share national agenda. Now national agenda means a document type with every state's, each and every state's achievement and issues will be mentioned in a document. That is sharing national agenda, first point, first function. Now the second function is state's best friend at the center. Now see, state's best friend at the center means what? Support states in addressing their own challenges, building on strength and comparative advantages. This will be through various means such as coordination with ministers, campaigning their ideas at the center, providing consultancy support and building capacity, children. Now state's best friend at the center means what? Now document is related to what? What are the achievements and failures of each and every states. Now the second point is what? State's best friend at the center means what? Each and every particular state will take their own decision. Some have been innovative ideas, some have new strengths, comparative advantages. So that particular state will be more recognized by the Prime Minister. So what planning they have done, what center, what method they have used, children, to have their own support and capacity. So state's best friend at the center means what? Which state is using which formula? Which state is solving their own issues? Which state is accepting their own challenges, building strengths, communicating, not depending on government but has worked on their own? That is called as state's best friend at the center. Now for example, the best example I can tell you during this pandemic period, why this thing Serum Institute has been recognized by everyone. Why? Because Serum Institute is the first institute in India who invented the vaccine regarding COVID-19. So did Prime Minister told them? No, they on their own accepted the challenge, did innovative ideas, and when their project was completed, that time they called Minister and told them to accept their proposal. That is called as state's best friend at the center. Means you accept the challenges and then you build your own strength and you work according to that. So Serum Institute has not only invented vaccination, but it became world famous institute, as well as it became proud movement in Maharashtra because it was in Pune and from Maharashtra. Now the third is what? In Niti Aayog, decentralized planning. Now what is this decentralized planning, children? Restructuring the planning process into bottom-up model, that is from village level, that is local government to national level or central government. Means whatever planning process is there, you restructure, make a coordination between central government, state government, national government, whatever you have, central, state government, you work together, you coordinate yourselves, you work for development of rural areas, then it is called as decentralized planning, children. Central and state government both are working for development of rural area, that is called as decentralized planning. Then the fourth point is what? Knowledge and innovation hub. Now what is this knowledge and innovation hub? It is an accumulator as well as booster of research and best practices on good governance through a state of the art resource center which identifies, analyzes, shares and facilitates replication of the same. Knowledge and innovation hub means what, children? Whatever researches are there, as I told you about Serum. Serum has been what? Recognized. Why? Because of his research in vaccination. So it is a research, it is an innovation hub, and it will be appreciated by the government every time. By the good governance, they have told. Under the guidance of government, Serum took an initiative and everyone now is having or being vaccinated for COVID-19 precautions. So knowledge and innovation hub will always be appreciated by Prime Minister. Means what? You have your own ideas, new ideas for development of a country. So it will be appreciated by state government, it will be appreciated by central government. So whatever analysis are there, whatever research you have done, whatever new ideas you have invented, innovative ideas are there, if it is for world benefit, you share with the government, government will definitely appreciate. Then the fifth function of Niti Aayog is monitoring and evaluation. Monitoring, every time checking. Monitoring means what? Every time continuous check on whatever policies and programs are evaluated by the government. Now for your example, I will tell you, now the teachers were given the duty of survey. Survey means during this pandemic period, before 6 months also the teacher were there, that is say last year, March month. They were every home, each and every teacher was going. Why? Because government has given the duty. Each and every home should be recognized how many members are there, who is ill, who has past history illness, what is their strength of the family, is anyone sick over there. So that survey was done by the teachers, say, or the government authorities. So why this was done? Because government told to monitor, check. Means every time checking was there, so you can get idea of how many COVID patients are there in a particular state. So survey, that is called as monitoring, has been done. I am just giving you an example. So here also monitoring means what? Checking. Every time government checks whatever plans and policies government has made, it every time checks, and then they have an impact through rigorous tracking, performance matrices and comprehensive program evaluations. So this will identify their weaknesses and bottlenecks for necessary course correction, enable data-driven policy, encouraging greater efficiency and effectiveness. So monitoring and evaluation is must for Niti Aayog. Then the 8th point is cooperative and competitive federalism, children. Now see, it is be the primary platform for operation regarding cooperative federalism, enabling states to have active participation in the formulation of national policy and achieving time-bound implementation of quantitative and qualitative targets through combined authority of the Prime Minister and Chief Ministers of the states. Now see, children, primary platform is there for regarding competitive and cooperative federalism. Competitive and cooperative federalism. Now what is this? That each and every state have to take an active participation, whatever policies are there in formulation of national policy and achieving time-bound implementation of quantitative and qualitative targets. So whatever targets have been given by the government, it should be achieved both by state and central government. So whatever policies and programs they plan have a cooperative and competitive federalism regarding planning and programming. So it will be between Prime Minister and Chief Minister of the states. And then the other functions of Niti Aayog are inter-consultancy, means how you consult with your members, how you consult with other chief ministers of other states. Then conflict resolution. If any discussion is very confusing, no one is having or no one is accepting the proposal. So how you handle, how the Prime Minister handles that particular situation. And the next is technological upgradation. These are other functions related by Niti Aayog. So see what we have studied regarding Niti Aayog functions. It should share national agenda. It should have a good relationship between centers and state government. Then decentralized planning should be there. Knowledge and innovation hub should be there. Monitoring evaluation should be there, and the state and central government should be cooperative, and they should follow one policy, that is competitive federalism, children. Then the other functions of Niti Aayog is interconsultancy, means internal memberships or say interrelations should be developed properly. Then conflict resolution and technological upgradation. Technological upgradation means what? Always be updated in technology. Be advanced. So technological upgradation if we use, so whatever government policies are there, whatever programming are there of government, it will be successful, children. Now the last point of the chapter is relationship, or say distinguish, or you can compare between Planning Commission. What is the difference between Planning Commission and Niti Aayog, children? We'll see. Now the first point is what? Planning Commission was established on 15th March 1950 and Niti Aayog was established on 1st January 2015. Now see, Planning Commission enjoyed the powers to allocate funds to ministry and state government, and Niti Aayog is an advisory body to whom? Think Tank Committee. We have studied Think Tank Committee is who? Group of experts, children. So Think Tank which performs the functions of allocation of funds. Then the third point in Planning Commission is it is restricted, means it is restricted to National Development Council and annual interaction during plan meetings, and in Niti Aayog state governments are expected to play a more significant role. Then here next, Planning Commission, over here the secretaries or member secretaries were appointed through usual process, but in Niti Aayog we all know secretary is known as the chief executive officer and it is appointed by the Prime Minister. Then next point is Planning Commission has no provision for part-time members. Niti Aayog has a number of part-time members depending on the need from time to time. So Planning Commission has a chairperson, a member secretary and full-time members, children. But Niti Aayog comprises of chairperson, vice chairperson, full-time members, part-time members, ex officio members and the CEO of secretary rank, children. So this is all about what? Planning Commission and Niti Aayog, children. So just go through the video and thank you, children.